Well, the court has given its judgment, and even though our position before the court is the fact that there was no conduct of election in Kogi for APC for the primary election, and it is not, our case is not for falsification of result now. Our case is fictitious broadcast of results. But now, the position of the court as to falsification is not part of our case. Our case is non-conduct of election, and which was admitted technically by the respondent. None of the respondents brought ward results to this court. None. No single ward result was laid before the court. They brought local government results. There were two reports that INEC annexed to their okay, there was two reports that INEC annexed to their counter affidavit. The first and the second. Those reports contradict the report of the first and third respondents. Why? Because they said that election was conducted by option A4. That was what INEC reported. INEC reported that election was conducted by option A4. And first respondent and third respondent said that it was by secret ballot. These two contradictions is before the court. The court did not look at those critical issues. We have alleged that there was no conduct of election. And as it is, if there was no conduct of election, and we have proved it by not providing any result, they now brought a result that does not reflect ward result. We expected that the court ought to look at those results to see whether they were ward results. The court did not look at those areas. Hence, the court said it was a falsified, that we spoke about falsified results. Well, the court has discharged his own responsibility in his own understanding. And we hope we take it from there to court of appeal. We go on appeal. Go on appeal.
So, how do you respond? How do you react
to the judgment? Yeah, the judgment is clearly in accordance with the law. You know, we had canvassed arguments that the case of the applicant had no basis in fact and in law, and the court has agreed with us. You know, you are saying primaries were not held at all, or that then you went further to say that results were falsified, and you have nothing to show for this allegation. And that's the position the court has arrived, and that is an excellent decision from the court. Yes.
The applicant is threatening to go on appeal.
Threat. It is right. It is right. He doesn't have to threaten anyone. We'll be waiting. They file their processes. We are definitely going to respond by the grace of God. So we are waiting for them. Oh, my name is F.O. Ekpa, Friday Okpanachi Ekpa, for the third respondent. That's Ahmed Usman Odudu. Yes. Yes. One of the allegations was that INEC was not invited to monitor. And INEC came and brought their own report showing that they sent their officials to every local government to monitor their election. So obviously they couldn't substantiate their allegations. So, and the court was correct with that decision.
You also talked about the discrepancy that INEC said option A4 was used while it was they used secret ballot.
Who said that? No. The primary election was open ballot. It was a direct primary election. You know, he was alleging, the applicant was alleging that he didn't hold at all. And then he said in his local government he didn't hold. But there are reports from all the wards. You can get certified true copy from the court records. You will see that there are reports, INEC reports, APC reports from all the wards that elections, primary elections indeed held. So you couldn't, you know, it's not enough for you to make allegations. Before the court is whether you can establish them or not. And this court found rightly, in our view, that he couldn't establish this allegation. That's it.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.